Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's video will be sponsored by Luvmehair. Luvmehair sent me this beautiful bob wig. This is a 4x4 lace closure. And as you guys could tell, this wig is super bomb, super flowy. The cut is amazing. I did not do this cut myself. The wig came this way. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I customized this wig. But before we jump into the video, I did want to show you guys a little bit of an unboxing. So Luvmehair is going to come in this box here. You're going to get some goodies in the box. So I'm going to skip over to a clip just so I can show you guys exactly what comes in the box. Luvmehair will have an FAQ brochure inside the box. It pretty much goes over, facts about the hair, shipping returns, and all that good stuff. You're also going to get a pouch that comes with a bunch of goodies. You're gonna have some tweezers, some pins, an elastic band, an edge brush. You're also gonna have some bobby pins, and also you're going to have a beautiful Luvmehair pin and one of their edge scarves that you can use to lay your edges. And of course, they wouldn't send you a wig without having some wig caps either. So I just want to let you know all of that comes inside the box. One of the good things about this wig is that the main purpose of it is for it to be glueless. So you can actually do a very simple and easy glueless wig install, and it looks bomb. Like when I put the wig on my head, it literally was snug tight. I didn't have any issues. So it pretty much was a 1, 2, 3 install. It took to the bleaching very well when I bleached the knots and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip over into tutorials so I can show you guys exactly how I customize this wig. All right, so as you guys saw, I pretty much just plucked the hairline, got it to the way that I wanted. This section here is where I'm going to cut the baby hairs. That I'm doing natural baby hairs. So I'm just going to cut the baby hairs, being that the track is literally right here. This is where I'm gonna lay the baby hairs at. Everything else is not going to have baby hairs. So it's gonna be one on this side, one on this side. So everything that I did on this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and do on this side. All right, so we are pretty much almost done with the install. You guys see how good this lace looks? It looks really, really, really good. So there's parts that probably you guys can't see on camera that I can actually see, where you are seeing the actual color of the lace. So I'm going to use some makeup to cover that up, and then we're gonna flat iron, and then we're gonna be done.
All right, so we are pretty much almost done with the install. You guys see how good this lace looks? It looks really, really, really good. So there's parts that probably you guys can't see on camera that I can actually see, where you are seeing the actual color of the lace. So I'm going to use some makeup to cover that up, and then we're gonna flat iron, and then we're gonna be done.
Alrighty, you guys, so that is pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope it was super easy to follow. I hope that you enjoyed it. As you guys can see, it was literally a really easy and simple beginner-friendly installation. This wig is perfect if you want something that's nicely cut into a bob, if you want something that's nice and flowy. The hair is super full, and like I said, this is the perfect wig to actually have if you're looking for a glueless wig. So I would highly recommend it, okay? It looks bomb. Like literally, like look at the flow, okay? Look at the flow. The hair is super full. Like you can't beat it. And the one good thing about Luvme hair is that inside of their box, it comes with literally everything that you need, to bobby pins, to wig caps, to an edge brush. So if you are one of those people who love glueless wigs, literally everything that you would need will come in that box for you, so that you don't have to go ahead and pack your own stuff. You can literally pick that box up and go to wherever you need to go, okay? So as always, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below. I want to thank Luvme hair again for sponsoring this video. This hair is beautiful, it is amazing, and once again, I am so happy to work with you guys. And all of you guys that's watching this, you could clearly see how bomb this hair is. So like I said, I highly recommend it. Everything will be listed in the description box down below. If you did not hit that subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give me a very big thumbs up before you click off of this video. That is super important. That will be it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.